Good evening. In today's session, we'll be looking into what is inflation targeting. You must have heard about this one many times, but let's try to understand what exactly is this and what is the percentage that has been decided in the recent past. In order to understand this one, I would like to open the document and show you the question directly, then we'll have a discussion on this. Look at this, the first one. Recently, Government of India has decided to retain the inflation target of 4% with a tolerance band of plus or minus. Hope you remember, my dear friends, during our Indian economy classes, we have discussed this very elaborately. While discussing about the monetary policy, while discussing about RBI, while discussing about the inflation, we have discussed about this. Now the question is that recently Government of India has decided to retain the inflation target of 4% with a tolerance band of how much? Plus or minus 1, 2, 3 or 4. Very important one. Answer is option B, that is 2. Very important one. Look at this. So what is this 2? Let's try to understand now. The Government of India has decided to retain the inflation target of 4%. So this is 1. What is this tolerance again? With a tolerance band of plus or minus 2 percentage points. So they have fixed at 4%. So it can be plus or minus 2 percentage points for the Monetary Policy Committee of the RBI for how many years? For the coming 5 years. So this is very important one. So they need to maintain like this. Earlier, the RBI and its currency and finance report for the year 2020 and 2021 also recommended the inflation target to be kept the same as 4% plus or minus 2% for the next 5 years. So this has been, recommended even by RCF report, and government also decided to go ahead with this one. It is a central banking policy that revolves around adjusting monetary policy to achieve a specified annual rate of inflation. We have discussed regarding inflation, what happens with inflation, various steps of inflation, all the things we have discussed. So this is just an updation to that one. And when it comes to this inflation targeting, this is known to bring more stability, more predictability and more transparency in deciding monetary policy. Important one. So this is quite important. And of course, anything that is related to this economy, and especially when it comes to the banking or the so-called this monetary policy, Reserve Bank of India, the government decisions on inflation, right? So everything will become important for the examination point of view. Hence, while you are reading the newspaper, read newspaper with more caution. So thank you so much. I'll see you in the next class.